Have you heard of ClonerAlliance UHD Pro, which is a HDMI video capture device? If you want to record any video that comes out via HDMI without using a PC or laptop and a recording software, this is the digital video recorder device you will be happy to have. ClonerAlliance UHD Pro is a 4K HDMI capture DVR that can record HDMI output video and audio from various devices such as satellite receiver, TV streaming sticks, video disc player, media player, camcorder, digital camera, game console, and any device that has HDMI display output. This standalone video recorder is portable, convenient, and easy to use. TechTube TV is a channel on discovering consumer gadgets and technology-related products. If that is your interest, consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future tech contents. Now let's get into the ClonerAlliance UHD Pro unboxing and review video. This is the ClonerAlliance UHD Pro box, which has the product name, partial image of the product, and some features printed. At the back are more features, supported devices, and pictures of all ports on the HDMI video capture device. Now, let's open the box and see the contents. These are all the items from the box. This is the ClonerAlliance UHD Pro digital video recorder. A small and lightweight remote control, a 5-volt 2-ampere power adapter, a HDMI cable, a PC cable, USB-A to micro USB, a user manual, which has a QR code here to get the full user manual. Inside, there is a list of product contents, and a simple guide with pictures which are easy to understand. A paper with all product support contact details. The ClonerAlliance UHD Pro DVR has a rectangular curved shape and feels solid. The logo at the center, designs, and the product name at the top of the device. This is a 4K video recorder. At the front, there are 3.5mm TRS audio connectors for line in, line out, and microphone. Infrared receiver for remote control. The video codec selection button between H.265 and H.264. The snapshot button to take screenshots, and the recording start or stop button. At the side, there is a micro USB connector to use with a laptop or PC if needed. This is a standalone device, so it can be used without a PC or laptop. This USB 2.0 Type A is to connect a flash drive or external hard disk to store the recorded videos. At the back, there is the power button, a power connector port, HDMI in for recording input, and HDMI out for displaying video to an external display. At the bottom, there are heat ventilation holes and the product details label. The remote control is small and light. These three main buttons are easily accessible using a thumb. This red button is to start recording and to stop recording. The display button shows the current video information. This camera icon button is to take a snapshot. And this remote control requires 2 AAA batteries, which are not included. ClonerAlliance UHD Pro is a plug-and-play device. Connect a HDMI cable from a device you want to record from into the in port. This can be any source, such as set-top boxes, cable TV receivers, DSLRs, camcorders, DVD players, game consoles, or any devices with HDMI out. For my testing purposes, I am using a Google Chromecast device. This connects to the HDMI in port. Connect a HDMI cable from the out port to a display such as TV or monitor. I'm using this TV to watch the video display from the Chromecast device. Connect the power adapter and turn on power. The ClonerAlliance interface loads, and at the left sidebar, some information is displayed. The HDMI in is asking to scan QR, and I searched the ClonerAlliance website knowledge base about it. The website says that this is usually caused by the improper assembly of the H.264, H.265 button. And the solution is simple. First, make sure the top indicator light is flashing blue and green alternatively, which is happening right now. Then, at the front, press and hold the H.264, H.265 button on UHD Pro for about 5 to 10 seconds until the input video shows up on TV or monitor. Google Chromecast is now running. As you can see here, the Chromecast device outputs the video, which passes through ClonerAlliance UHD Pro and is displayed on the TV. To use the video recording function, you will need to plug in a storage device such as a hard disk, SSD, or a flash drive. For testing purposes, I'm using a USB flash drive. The input video can be from any device with HDMI output, for example set-top box like Fetch TV, game console like PlayStation, a camcorder, or a laptop. In my setup here, I'm watching a video using a Chromecast device. To record what I'm watching, I press the rec button on the remote and the same button to stop recording. If you can't find the remote, you can also use the rec button on the device itself to start and stop recording. To take a screenshot of the video, press the snapshot button on the remote control or on the device itself. To view the list of video recordings, press the video button on the remote control. At the bottom here, it shows the total storage capacity and the current disk usage. This recording list can be navigated using the arrow keys. You can play a video by pressing the OK button, and to delete a recording, press the delete button and confirm. To view the list of screenshots, press the image button on the remote. Similar to videos, you can navigate here or delete using the same button. Let's look at the menu button. Pressing it shows setting options for record, schedule, and system. The video playback and photo playback are the same as the dedicated buttons on the remote control. Selecting the record settings will show options to set the video recording format, recording bitrate, option to always display rec, select the file size choices, time watermark on video, and loop recording. Selecting the schedule settings will show options to schedule recordings. The schedule mode can be done once or repeated daily, and you can schedule 3 different time ranges for recordings. Under System Settings, you can set the language, date and time, or even reset the device. ClonerAlliance UHD Pro has 2 useful indicator lights, one at the top labeled Cloner and the other, a band which surrounds the device. These lights give the product a premium feel. If this top indicator light is flashing blue and green, it means there is no input or the input is unsupported. If it is a stable blue light, the output and recording resolution is 4K at 30 Hz. If it is a stable green light, the output and recording resolution is 1080p at 60 Hz or below. If the side indicator light is turned off, it means that no storage device is connected. If it is a stable blue light, the encoding format is set to H.264. If it is a stable green light, the encoding format is set to H.265. In this video, I have shown you how easy it is to start using ClonerAlliance UHD Pro to record video. So this device is useful for anyone without needing technical skills. Let's see some of the uses for this device. You can record movies or TV shows from set-top boxes or cable TVs. With the recording schedule function, you can watch the recordings anytime. You can capture your gameplay from laptop or gaming consoles. You can record an online conference call video. You can record from a camcorder to preserve video memories. You can record from a DVD player to store the video in a different format. You can capture videos from TV sticks, as in the example I showed in this video using Google Chromecast. You can capture videos from any type of media player with HDMI output. Although this device records nearly any video coming via HDMI, it does not support recording of content protected by HDCP. Having a standalone video recorder is quite useful as it is quickly ready to use right after powering on. You don't need any separate software. The ability to record from any HDMI source is very useful to keep videos to watch later or to convert videos coming from other types of devices, especially older devices such as tape-based camcorders. For me, this is a must-have product for recording videos. If you like to purchase this product, I will provide the link in the video description or comment section. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.